Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 13C, and today I will show you how we can capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my display. Now once your content is visible on your screen, to capture it, all you need to do is hold your power button and volume down at the same time. You'll have a flash and then a pop-up, and after a moment it just disappears, as it did so right now. Once it disappears, you can find that screenshot in your gallery application, and it should show up under photos, just a general photos section, as the newest one if you have just captured it. But later on you should be able to also find it under albums, and here you can see we have an album called Screenshots and Screen Recordings. And obviously depending on which one you're looking for, you might need to change the tab. But here are the screenshots, and this is the screenshot that I have just captured. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.